this website is going to pay you money, but this website is going to pay you money on top of that free traffic to you. So you're going to use these two websites to make a passive income every single day. Before we get in the video, guys, if you are new to my channels, I make money making videos, money saving videos, tutorials. I make everything for you guys free, no courses or nothing. Just subscribe, like these videos, and leave a comment if you want to win a £10 PayPal money. And if you want me to make a video on certain topic, leave a comment, guys. I will try my best. So this is the first website. Just straight into the video, I'll show you the website. This is the website is called Cpa Elite. Okay, I'm going to show you the entire free method way to make money, lots of money. So watch the video until the end. Cpa Elite is similar to Max Bounty, where you can get a CPA offers to promote, right? ClickBank is not working in certain countries like India or Pakistan. Maybe you sign in, after that couple of while they will disable your account. If this happens, you can go to Cpa Elite, because you can see if you click all the countries, all the countries are here. So you can join Cpa Elite with your Facebook or Google account just within a minute, guys, and you can promote a CPA offers and you can earn money initially. Then they can go with other offers. But if you are beginners, I recommend Cpa Elite start with it, guys. So if you go down here, and you can see these are the offers that you can promote here. These are different type of offers. If I click offer type here, you can see this is the email submission and survey. So if they submit and put your email address or complete the survey, you earn money. This is the big money you can earn. There's a pin submit, a mobile, and trial and purchase. Trial and purchase, they sign up for the trial and so they buy something like these two. I don't know. I will find out and make a videos in the future, guys. So if you see here, these are the offers that you can promote. At the moment, because I select only United Kingdom, that's why all these offers are specific for United Kingdom here. Now you see there's the offers that you can see from here. The offers are starting from for around 6 cents to $3.77. This is the highest amount. There's a other highest amount. There's a $12, and you know, if the offers is paying more money, then there is a more process to complete inside, maybe buy a trial or purchase anything. So I recommend is go with the offer that pay you between $2 to $5. So there's only email submission or survey. So the free traffic, which I can show you, the people can do it and you can earn money. So the basic idea here is find the CPS offer that you want to promote, and if this is the offer I want to promote, it's a sign up for free trial and a win price today. It's a free trial, so there's no need to put credit card information or anything like that. Okay, this is the offer I want to promote. Just imagine that I want to offer this offer. This offer gonna pay you $3.77. You can see from here, this is the offer that gonna pay you is a country's United Kingdom. This is the preview link. So if you open this preview, this will open up. This is the landing page. Now they will complete this offer. So you can see they give the restriction that you can't do any of those things. And here, if the people only you have to promote the United Kingdom, and if the people complete the sign up process, and you can earn $3.70. You can see above this here, you all share when you person complete the offer that you earn $3.77. Now you sign up and you find the offers and how you gonna promote and how you gonna get the traffic and how the people gonna sign up for your offers. There's a way that you can do it, guys. It's called rapidworkers.com. I already made a videos and tutorial. I put the card and the link in the description. Go check it out. Rapidworkers is similar to the website, a micro worker website, where you can do a smaller task and earn money. So this is this part of the dashboard is where you can do the job and earn money. Right, this part of the dashboard is where you're going to create a campaign where you can promote these offers, and Rapidworkers come and complete the offers and you can earn money. So I can explain you guys. First, what you have to do, go to available job. If you don't have enough money to start up with, okay, if you don't have enough money to promote a CPA offer, what you have to do first, go to Rapidworkers and do the available job. You can see here, you can see if you are living from USA, UK or Canada, you can complete these offers and earn 85 cents. If you are not living any of the part of the country, you can select the country where you live in. So you work worldwide. Like I said, you work in India, Pakistan and all other countries. So you can select the country where you from and you can offer. Or if you don't want that, you can select this one. Is called international. I can find the link here. This international, if you select anyone can do any job here. You can see sometimes if the job that pay you more than $60 to $1, that means you need to spend a little bit more, a couple of minutes to complete that offers. But when you complete these offers, the campaign creator then you need to provide a proof with them, a screenshot or video. They will ask you what kind of proof they want. You provide that. When the campaign creators satisfied with your result, they approve your work and you earn that money. Now, because you don't have enough money to promote these high ticket CPA offers, what you have to do first, go to Rapidworkers and do these jobs. And imagine that you spend 2 to 3 hours that you spent on a Rapidworkers, and then you made $20. Okay, you can withdraw that $20 to your PayPal account if you want, or you can spend that $20 to make more money. I can tell you how you're going to do that. First, get your money, $10, $20. Go to campaign here, my campaign. I already done one campaign here. You can see I spent around $15 here. Now, in this campaign, you can create a campaign for this CPA offers. All you have to do is, what you have to do here, and you can go here and open a similar campaign, and you're going to complete these offers until the end. Provide a screenshot as your proof to earn $1. Okay, you can pay the micro workers or the Rapidworkers $1 to complete these offers. You can see this offer is going to pay you $3.77, and you're going to pay $1, and then you're going to make it $2.77. But on top of that, you have to think, because you didn't spend any money at all, because you didn't spend your own money, you spend your time working on Rapidworkers, you earn that money over there. You're going to spend that money on Rapidworkers to create a campaign to promote the CPA offer. So you so imagine that you made $20 on Rapidworkers, and you're going to spend $1 per job. So you can have 20 people going to sign up for these CPA offers, right? Those 20 people going to complete the offers by clicking this link. They complete the offers and going to provide a screenshot as the proof. Once they provide this proof, what you have to go to Cpa Dashboard. Here, this is the dashboard it's going to look like. On that, you're going to see number of people click that offers, number of sign up, if that sign up is go through or not. People just complete the offers in the halfway, then just click out and say we complete the offers. No, you can see the entire result from here. So number of people click and the number of sign up. If you satisfy with that, go to Rapidworkers, approve their campaign, and they get paid, and you get paid from Cpa Elite. So you spend $20, get 20 sign up, 20 times 3.7, that you can make $75.40 every single day. So you made a $20 there on Rapidworkers, but you tripled that money using Cpa Elite. But on top of that, you didn't spend any money at all. You spend your time. So you can do it this method, and you can make money like this one. It's a passive income. Basically, first you spent 2 of your time to earn that money. Now that money is working for you. You spend $20, create a campaign, and promote these offers. Whenever the people click and sign up, and you can earn money. Now you don't have to promote these something. You can do with any job. For example, if you want to promote the offer that's going to pay you 95 cents, then you can go to Rapidworkers, then you can pay 15 cents for the workers, and you can still make lots of money, guys. This is one of the way that you can make money using Cpa Elite and Rapidworkers. And I will have other type of method. I will make a video in the future, guys. You know the drill. Before we leave the video, if you really like a video, leave a comment, leave a like, leave a comment, and say I like this video, so you can win a £10 PayPal money. When this video gets 100 likes, I will do the giveaway, guys. Until that, have a good day and see you next video, guys.